MC Gameboy here, and I'm fucking fuming because a bitch is gonna go fucking shout me out, so I have to go fucking kill it now. You fucking jamming bastard!
Oh my god! Oh my god! What's he doing? What's he doing? Bring the horn! Ring the fucking horn!